Imagine a world where IT becomes remarkably simpler, where applications seamlessly move across any environment, and where you have the power to package, ship, and run software effortlessly. Well, you don't have to imagine it because that world is here and is called Docker. Welcome to Red Alt Key, where we are about to embark on a journey into the fascinating universe of Docker. I'm Leslie, your tech tour guide. If you're an aspiring Docker guru, or just curious about what Docker is and why it matters, you found the perfect place to explore and learn. Today we're kicking off a course tailored for those eager to master the fundamentals of Docker. We'll begin at the foundation and build the skills you need to tackle the most challenging IT scenarios with confidence. Welcome to Module 1, where we'll unravel the core concepts and dive into why Docker's approach is transforming the IT landscape. We'll talk about its benefits, its core concepts, and prepare you for some hands-on magic in the upcoming modules. In this module, we'll take you from a Docker novice to Docker enthusiast. We'll explore the very basics of Docker, its significance in the world of IT, and how it compares to traditional virtualization. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of what Docker is and why it's crucial for modern IT professionals. But first, let's take a step back and understand why Docker matters in the IT world. To do that, we need to compare it to something you might be more familiar with, that is, traditional virtualization. Think of traditional virtualization as shipping goods in large containers. You've got this huge, resource-intensive box, and you ship everything in it. It's like sending a single package across the ocean in a massive cargo ship. Docker, on the other hand, is like having a fleet of nimble, smaller containers. Each container carries only what it needs, making it much more efficient. It's like sending individual parcels in smaller, faster boats. So in Module 1, we'll delve into why Docker's approach is revolutionizing the IT industry. We'll discuss its benefits, its core concepts, and set a stage for the practical hands-on work that awaits you in the upcoming modules. Docker offers numerous benefits, making it a game changer in the IT world. It's all about portability. Your applications and their dependencies are neatly packaged in containers, making them consistent and transferable across different environments. This portability streamlines development and deployment processes. To master Docker, you need to understand its core concepts. You'll become familiar with images, the blueprint of your containers, the containers themselves, where your applications run. Registries, like Docker Hub, are where you can find and share container images. And then there are Docker files, the recipes that define how your containers should be built. Finally, get ready for hands-on practical work. In the upcoming modules, you'll roll up your sleeves and start creating, running, and managing Docker containers. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you gain the skills you need to excel in your IT journey. But this is just the start of our journey. In the next module, Module 2, we'll delve even deeper into Docker's architecture and explore how it's transforming the way we build and run applications. Module 2 is all about understanding the inner workings of Docker. We'll dissect its architecture, learn about Docker Engine, and explore the concepts of images and containers in more detail. So, if you're excited about the world of Docker and ready to dive into the nitty-gritty details, you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and let's embark on this incredible Docker adventure together.